Well, hello, I'm Susie, the training ambassador with Mayflower. Today we're going to learn to do a fun Easter bunny holding a balloon, and let's get started with that. The Easter bunny is going to comprise of an 11-inch balloon. For his feet we're going to need a 260, and for his little hands we're going to need two 5-inch balloons. So his body is going to need 10 pumps. And when I say pumps, I just mean one stroke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we'll want to tie this in a knot. Bring the knot to the very end. Kind of making this a donut. Sticking my thumb right through the center. Grabbing the end. And now I just need a 260 scrap. And I'm going to wrap it around that tip of the balloon that I have, and I'm just going to tie this so that I don't lose any traction. And I can just lose the tips with it. So this is what we call a donut, and this is going to be his body. For his feet, we will need, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 pumps. 3 sounds right. All we need to do now is just tie a knot, circle this around, tie that in a knot. We won't need this long tail, but we'll use this later, so I can clip this off. And then this is going to be his cute little cottontail. So I will need probably 1 pump. And I'm going to take and tie this at the base of this loop that I've created. And to make his feet, I'm just going to bend, twist, and thus creating his little feet. So this is his body, and I'm just going to adhere this together with a little bit of our wonderful Instant Grip Powerful Bond No Mess Ever dashes. So where he's going to sit is where I'm going to place a couple of dashes. And I'll remove the adhesive. And now we have his feet, his cute tail, and his body. For the head, these are just simply your pre-in plates that you get on a stick. And we just remove the stick, and I'm just going to curl up the base of that inflation valve and use a little bit of tape so that it's not noticeable anymore, and then he can just have his place right here. So that simply will also entail a couple of these wonderful dashes. Two should do. Cute, right? Well, nobody is complete without hands, so these are just going to be 1 pump balloons, and I'm just going to cut off the end, and then these can be attached with more dashes. So 1 dash. Let me get another one. So all we need is just 1 pump, and we'll tie a knot. And we could lose that so that it's just a little just a little hand. And sit, boy. So let's see, a dash will do. He's also going to need a weight on him, so let me grab our weight. And if we just take this weight and place it right at the base, I think that would be perfect for us. So just one balloon insert, putting it right on the base of his feet. Holding him completely together. And now his other little hand can come on. And I'm going to put another little dot right in front because his head does not seem to be sticking so good. Okay, now what we want, that's just the base, something cute, something fun, and we want to decorate this cute helium balloon. So we'll need to put a little bit of ribbon on him. Could cut. And at this point we're just going to need a quad. So 2 pumps each of 5-inch balloons, and I have a various colors. And we're just going to wrap them twice and tie it once. And we'll do that again. Love Easter colors, they're so fun. It just says spring is here and winter is behind us. Okay, so we're just going to bring this to the inflation valve and then lock it into place. And then what I found works remarkably well are the twirls, and these are pretty heavy, so I'm not going to use all of it, but I'm just going to cut off about half of it. And then give it a good shake. And remove my back adhesive. Stick this right in between. So this cute little guy now gets held by our cute little rabbit here. So that's all there is to it today. You've got a rabbit holding a rabbit. Happy Easter, you guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope this makes your department a little more special and fun to shop in.